Okay, students, so today we are going to start working on page number 23. Here you have some questions on page number 23 about round off. You have to follow the pattern of rounding off in these word problems. See, a bottle contains 50.5 ml of cup syrup. Round volume of cup syrup to the nearest ml. Okay, you have to convert this value to the nearest ml. Okay, but see in which term you have to round off it. See, it's 15.5 means it's one decimal places that is given to you, so you have to convert it into whole number obviously, because ये one decimal place दिया हुआ, अगर two decimal place होता so obviously you will convert it into one decimal place, but here you have one decimal place question, one decimal place value, so you have to convert it into a whole number. So it's 50.5. So see, it's 5 means the answer will be 51 ml. Okay, now see, the mass of the donut is 120.98. It's a 2 decimal place gram. Round the mass of the donut to the nearest gram. See, it's 98. It's 8 means the value goes upward. Obviously, you have to convert it into one decimal place. It's 2 decimal place and you have to convert it into one decimal place. But it's 2 values and the value is 8, so the value goes upward. And what comes after 9? What comes after 9? Then after 9 comes the next number. If it's 20.9, अगर हम इसको छोड़ देंगे तो ऑब्वियसली ये 8 है, ये तो अपवर्ड जाना चाहिए. सो इट बिकम्स 121.00. राइट, अगर 00 ना भी लिखें सो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, जस्ट 121 लिख दें. इट्स अप टू यू. ओके, पॉइंट नहीं, जस्ट 121 लिख दें. ओके, now see the next question. The length of a table is 2.18 meter. What is its length rounded to the nearest 0.1 meter? Here they are saying about 0.1 meter. 0.1 meter ये जो उन्होंने clue दिया हुआ है means that you have to convert it into one decimal place. So it's 2.18. It's 2 decimal place value. You have to convert it into one decimal place value. So 0.18, it's 8 means the value goes upward, so it becomes 2.2 meter, and that is your answer. Okay, now come on the next page. Here you have some more word problems which you will not solve, so you will not do page number 24. Directly come on page number 125. See what you have to do on page number 25. Write each fraction as a decimal. Here you have to write the fraction as a decimal. See, you will not do anything in here. It's 2.2/5 is the question. Directly we will divide it to convert it into a decimal. We will write 5 inside, 5 outside and 2 inside. 0.2 is smaller than 5, so we will write 0. It's become 20. 5 4s are 20. So the answer we got is 0.4. Just like this, you will do nothing in this. Just you have to convert the fraction into decimal. What you will do? It's 11/20 means 20 outside, 11 inside. It's 11 which is smaller than 20. So you will write 0. It becomes 0. So it's 210. 20 के टर्म में 210 नहीं आता, but what number comes smaller than 210? 21 are 20, 22 are 40, 23 are 60, 24 are 80, 25 are 100. 25 it's 100, 10 remainder. Again you will write 0 here. It's 100 again. 25 is 100. So the answer you got is 0.55. Okay. Now come on the next question. It's 7 divided by 15. You will divide it first. 50 outside, 7 inside, write 0. It becomes 70. 70 doesn't come in the table of 50. 51s are 50. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. It's 20. 20 is smaller than 50, so you will write 0 here. It becomes 200. 54s are 50. 1s are 50. 52s are 100. 53s are 150. 54s are 200. So the answer you got is 0.14 answer. Right? 6 divided by 25. You will write 25 outside, 6 inside, 0. It becomes 60. 25 2s are 50 होता है. right? 0 में से 0 गए 0, 10 minus 5 1, 10 left, 0 लगा दिए, it becomes 100 because 10 was smaller than 25. 25 1s are 25, 25 2s are 50, 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100. So you will write 0.24 answer. Okay, now come on the next page. Okay, so now we are on page number 26. Write each firstly you will write the date at the top of the page. Today is 15 December, you will write 50 December and classwork. On the previous page you have to write the date as well. Okay, so see, write each mixed number as a decimal. See, here you have a mixed number given, you have to convert it into a decimal. And how you will convert a mixed number into a decimal, ये छोड़ दें, इसका कोई काम नहीं है, जस्ट आपको इसको कन्वर्ट करना है डेसिमल में. इसको लिख दें सॉल्व इन कॉपी. You will solve it into a copy. Solve in copy. See how you will convert it. Here you have a mixed number. First you will convert it into a fraction. 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7. 7/4 आपके पास फ्रैक्शन नंबर आ जाएगा. Now you will divide it. Inside you will write 7 and outside you will write 4. Now you will write 0 point. It becomes 70. You will see when 70 comes in the table of 4. 70 doesn't come in the table of 4. Sorry, it's 70. 4 10s are 40 होता है because 70 is a bigger number now. Sorry. Again we will divide it. See, we will write 7 inside, 4 outside, right? It's 7, right? And 7 is bigger than 4. So you will write 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 4 1s are 4 you will take because 7 is bigger than 4. So 7 minus 4, 3 is remainder. You will write point here and you will write 0 here. So it becomes 30. When 30 comes in the table of 4, 30 doesn't come in the table of 4. The number smaller than 30 is 28. 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28. 0 minus 8, it's not possible. You will cut 3, you will write 2 here. 10 minus 8, 2. Again you will write 0 here. It becomes 20. You can write 0 here because it's a new step and point is already written. So you can write 0 here. So 4 5s are 20. 4 के टेबल में 20 कब आता है? 4 5s are 20. See, you got the answer 1.75. But here you have a place, but you can. It's better that you will solve it into a copy. Just like this. Number B is 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 14 is equal to 64. 64 divided by 25. 64 is bigger than 25. You will write 64 inside, 25 outside. 25. When 64 come in the table of 25, 64 is smaller than 25. 64 doesn't come in the table of 25. 25 2s are 50 होता है. 25 3s are 75 होता है. So you will take 25 2s are 50. 4 minus 0 4. 6 minus 5 1. It becomes 14. 14 is smaller than 25. So you will write point here and you will write 0 here. It becomes 140. Now you will read the table of 25. 25 1s are 25. To find out when 140 comes in the table of 25. 25 1s are 25, 25 2s are 50, 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are. अगर आपको टेबल नहीं आता तो आप साइड में मल्टीप्लाई करके भी कर सकते हो. ओके, 25 4s are 100, 25 5s are 125, 25 6s are 150. So 125. We will take 25 5s are 125, right? 0 minus 5 is not possible. We will cut it. We will write 3 here. 10 minus 5 5. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 1. It becomes 50. Now you will write 0 here. It becomes 150. So 25 4s are 100. 25 5s are 125 and 25 6s are 150. So 6 are 150. So the answer you got is 2.56. Now number C and number D you will do in the homework. Okay. Now come on the next question. Here you have write each decimal as a fraction or mixed number in its simplest form. Here you have a decimal and you have to convert it into a fraction. So this question we will solve in the next class, inshallah. Jazakallah. Till today we have done page number 26, question number 2. These two questions you will do in the P unit break, and then inshallah in the next class we will explain you this question. Okay. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next class, inshallah. Don't forget to do your homework and don't forget to complete your classwork in the unit break. Allah Hafiz.